So I was wandering around the internet today, as you do, when this caught my eye.
It's the money, it's the money, it's the money, yeah. It's the money, it's the money, it's the money, yeah.
Wow, what is it? I hear you cry. Well, let's talk about that because I want to let you know first. Hi, my name is Saab Johel and welcome to my channel, which is all about great mobile video and editing for great results. Please take a look around, and if you want to make sure you see more of my content on 360 and action cam videos, how I make my videos and some cool edits, please consider subscribing. Cheers. Are you ready for some breaking news? Okay, let's jump into this. This camera appears to be a new camera from Insta360 entitled the Insta360 One R, which looks like it might be slated for official announcement at CES in early January 2020. That's just a few days away, but you get a sneak preview now. What can we tell from this image? Well, it looks like the R in the name appears to refer to the base of the device, which appears to be red. Possibly. You can see that the design of the camera looks modular and it can be split into parts, and perhaps you can use a certain number of parts at the same time. Let's say 3 parts for now: the lens, the main body of the camera, which is the touchscreen, and the base, which perhaps contains the battery. And from these photos, it looks like there is at least a 360 lens, double-sided most likely, a wide-angle lens, and another more action camera-like lens recessed behind a glass protective cover, perhaps more GoPro-like and robust, and perhaps some connectors for other accessories too. Wait, did I just see? Well, anyway, it means that Insta360 probably has a camera announcement coming soon, but it most likely isn't what we were expecting, which was something like an improved 1x shooting at 8K, though that might actually happen too. So if this is a modular action camera that can be swapped out for a 360 module and other modules potentially too, maybe a light, or maybe 2 forward-facing 180 lenses so it can shoot VR 180 and produce 3D images with depth mapping, this really opens up some incredibly diverse possibilities. Now, Modular Tech has been tried before, notably with cell phones, but they never really took off. But if this is a modular action camera stroke 360 camera, then this could be really interesting. Let's say you're considering a GoPro Max. You can choose hero mode and shoot out of just one lens at drastically reduced resolution, or 360 mode, but it's the same device, which has both good and bad points about it. But with this kind of a modular setup, you could shoot like an action cam at possibly 4K resolution, as a 360 camera probably at 5.7K, but who knows, I'm just making educated guesses here. But you can also perhaps add and use additional lenses to get a really wide view, or even 2 forward-facing 180-degree lenses to emulate an Insta360 Evo perhaps, and to get those 3D images. To be honest, I'm a little bit blown away. I only found out about this about 30 minutes ago, but I wanted to let you guys know first. Something very interesting is coming our way, and it'll be very cool when we hear more from official Insta360 sources. Hey, thanks so much for watching. I'm Saab Johel. Please give this video a like if you found it useful, and maybe consider subscribing for more of my content too. And hey, share this video if you think other people might like it too. Here's some other videos of mine you might find interesting or useful. Please take a look around, and thanks again for watching as always. Cheers and go well.